1981 Excalibur Series 4 Roadster. Price: $39,950. Location: Boston. The 1981 Excalibur Series 4 Roadster is not just a car. It is a rolling piece of art that captures the spirit of 1930s luxury with a bold American twist. From the very first glance, its striking presence commands attention, with a long sculpted hood, dramatic chrome accents, and a design that feels both nostalgic and timeless. This rare roadster is one of only 36 produced in 1981, making it an extraordinary find for collectors and enthusiasts alike. The exterior, finished in elegant white with subtle brown striping, perfectly complements its vintage-inspired silhouette. The iconic chrome grille, crowned with the signature Excalibur sword mascot, immediately sets it apart from anything else on the road. Massive chrome headlamps, quad trumpet horns, and dual side-mounted spare tires add to its unmistakable neoclassic identity, evoking the grandeur of pre-war European automobiles. The power behind this beauty comes from a robust V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, delivering a driving experience that is both powerful and refined. Unlike many classic cars that require compromise, this Excalibur offers modern reliability for its era, featuring four-wheel disc brakes and a Rochester Quadrajet 4-barrel carburetor. It's a machine designed not just to be admired, but to be driven and enjoyed. The interior continues the story of luxury and craftsmanship. Wrapped in a rich palomino color, the cabin offers a warm and inviting atmosphere. Classic details like the motor-leader steering wheel and VDO gauges blend seamlessly with features such as power windows, air conditioning, and cruise control. Every element inside the car reflects a thoughtful balance between vintage charm and functional comfort. The highlight feature of this roadster is its highly desirable rear rumble seat, an iconic nod to early automotive design that adds both character and uniqueness. Combined with the dual roof options, including a removable hardtop and a convertible softtop, this car offers unmatched versatility. Whether cruising under the open sky or enjoying a more enclosed ride, the experience always feels special. The Excalibur Series 4 Roadster represents a bold vision from an era when individuality in automotive design truly mattered. Handcrafted in limited numbers, it stands today as a symbol of creativity, luxury, and exclusivity. For anyone looking to own something truly different, something that turns every drive into an event, this car is more than a purchase, it's a statement.